Today in this video we will know what is EEBD device. Let's know. EEBD is emergency escape breathing device. Comes into play when escaping from the area on the ship which have become hazardous, maybe due to the smoke, fire or poisonous gases for instance. And it is self-contained compressed air apparatus which supplies the crew with breathable oxygen to help them safely escape from contamination areas on a ship. This device is not firefighting equipment, nor should they ever be intended to be used by a firefighter. They should never be used for any other purpose than providing vital life-saving oxygen to passenger and crew in emergency. The expiry dates of EEBDs on board, as they are usually 10 to 15 years since the installation of the devices.